Our real client's air conditioning website has achieved top ranking positions. We started SEO for Dubai-based company Siddiqui HVACR in June 2025. At the beginning, the monthly organic traffic was just 1. After 3 months, it has grown to 82. Organic keywords increased from 17 to 78. Referring domains grew from 58 to 110. And now, 47 high search volume keywords are ranking in the top 3 positions on Google. Real results, real growth, real success. Right finger contact us today for professional HVAC SEO services. Phone +965 9915 2580.